tired of our shit today. We just started.
But it is moving day. We are moving from the old shop where the rust bucket is. We have all the shit loaded up here. We already took the rust bucket. Didn't figure you guys didn't want to see all that. Zach's pissed off and leaving because we made fun of him.
But now,
oh, the wind is bad, so we're sorry if there's wind noise.
But now, we're headed to my shop. We're gonna pick up all of my tools, all my spare parts, hopefully load them up on this trailer if we have room. Then we're gonna take it all to the new shop.
All right, but is he trying to do a burnout? All right, I'm gonna go get in the car. He's trying to do a burnout with our trailer. Just glided on up, huh?
I guess that's what you're buying. You're buying good wheels.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right, we just got back to the shop, the new shop, and we have all this crap to unload. We just unloaded the damn dog. Get out of the way. We just unloaded Logan's toolbox. Now we gotta go put all the stuff in the storage container in the back.
Am I gonna hit the other building?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're not paying attention to telling me this shit.
You're welcome.
Just like that. Butter. Ram. Fucking you. It's coming towards you.
Okay, stop. Look at that. Well, this seems to be getting closer. Am I moving? You're good on this side.
Beauty.
We're finally home. We're moved in. We got all our shit here. We got this, the toolbox,
I got that.
that, there's crates of stuff,
Stuff over there.
more stuff.
That.
You got crap. Just, it's everywhere. We got a whole storage container
Look at
back
this.
full of crap.
Such a cool shop.
And then our bullshit's here.
And then our bullshit. But hey, we still have the contest going on, but I still wanted to get a video out to you guys for this week. The link to the video is up at the top here. Go ahead, click on that link. It'll take you to that video. Comment, subscribe, like, everything, so you get entered to win the what do you call it? Package prizes.
Giveaway.
$50 giveaway. That's what I was trying to think. 50, 30, and 15.
So you got a chance to win up to $50 worth of free merch.
Yep.
We're giving away almost $100 worth of shit.
And all you have to do is subscribe, like, and comment that video. And again, I had it up there at the top. But other than that, we got other videos that are going to be coming out. You have till the 20th to comment and like that video to win the prize, and then we'll have it shipped out to whoever wins. And we'll probably do like a live video for who wins the raffle. What are you guys doing?
Making TikTok videos.
Oh. But I think that's it. We got the new shop. We're moved in.
Just to reiterate, free shit. Put some explosions in here. Free shit.
God damn it. Bye, guys.
That's giving out a blowjob.